Ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh ka way na kaslam ay jing hikai hapo ka themri bhoy menta usnam sa shisien kala pau kerteng biang hapo ka top 20 haka result balapan mi da ka embos lengba ka jingla ki arngut ki khna jo ka te ka skul ban le bha haka exam bat kalawan ra ru ek jingkman ka bakraw ki nong hikai lembat ya principal haka babaro ki khna ki batho ek exam matrik menta usnam kila pas lut. Kita ki arngut ki balawan haka top 20 ki kentop ya usorof pande u balawan haka kerdan ka balai hapo ka top 20 da ka bayo kelum ya ka marks hadu sanspa nyau puhnriu bat ka nandani kumari kalawan haka kerdan ka bahnriu da ka bayo kelum ya ki marks hadu sanspa hnriu pukhandai. Ka kong WB Bla ka principal jang ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kalapan pau ya ka mensiam ka jingkemen ban yoi baki khna school kin tiu biang ya ka nam jo ka school hapo ka top 20 haka jo ka por kalapan benaru baki nu ki khna na po ka school ki bawan top kin yo ban beteng ya ka jing puli jang ki haka class 11 bat class 12 klem dan kam ban siu AA bat kala ong ru ba ya ka ni la jule man la usnem ka palong ru kum ka jing ai men sie mi ki khna school bakin ya le bha haki exam jang ki.
Over the moon about my results. It has been really good, and first of all I like to thank God for all his blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed him, and ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, all and the whole class, and all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course, they have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to work bit by bit, but every day we should be consistent with our studies.
Yeah, on this today when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I'm really grateful to the school department, all the teachers, respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood. So I think the total whatever she had been doing, get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very very happy and excited as well. So that is all what I have to say. Thank you.
Principal Jong Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh. Sa sien pan ngas ngeu nungkong ay man ay ngu yu blay ya kan ni resort ko ba kan ni snemmer hoy kadon gijing tot kan dia ka jing pen bana jung ki ya ka resort ka sni Saturday ka ba day ka shuti ya ki school jan baro lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi kejing ya shat kejing ya kemen kan long ka ba semua tanah dah tapat kini kena school ba mi ke resort ki pas wan sekhmat kini ban wan sha school lang ba ki mi ki pa rewal kat taru kata ke jing start jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education bakila peni ya ka resort kan ka sngi bat kom ka principal ada sngo ngo shisha ya uble bat kunju ru ya ki no hikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba kershan ya ki ya kejat bat kunjur ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan shakmat kumu sorof pande wan haka third position bat kunjur ro nandini kumari iba wan haka sixth position hak jing changi don shu sa langut e kena ki ban kemi unti kumi kadiala sungo yo 92.16%. Piba Sing Tangsang yo 92.33%, Ashwarya Shah yo 91.83%.